Whether you're a daily commuter, road trip junkie, or just love keeping your ride fresh and functional, this list is for you. From a 7-in-1 cigarette lighter that powers all your devices, to a 360 dash cam and a car escape tool that could save your life. We're covering 22 genius car gadgets that make driving smarter, safer, and way more fun. So, let's dive in. Power all your devices on the go with the 2025 upgraded Joy Room 7-in-1 cigarette lighter adapter, delivering a robust 179 watts total output. Equipped with a fast-charging 30-watt USB-C PD port, 3 cigarette lighter sockets, and 3 additional USB ports, this adapter is perfect for road trips, work vehicles, or daily commutes. Each port has an independent switch for safer, energy-efficient control, while the built-in LED voltage display keeps you informed about your car's battery status. With a 3.3-foot cable for flexible placement and support for both 12-volt and 24-volt systems, this all-in-one charger ensures you stay powered wherever the road takes you. Keep your car and spaces smelling fresh with this 4-Pack Car Air Fresheners vent clip set, designed for use with cylindrical essential oils. Perfectly sized to fit standard car vents, each clip provides a steady, long-lasting fragrance to eliminate odors from food, pets, or daily commutes. Ideal not only for vehicles but also for kitchens, bathrooms, and pet areas, the set includes 40 refill sticks for extended use and customizable scent intensity. Sleek, easy to install, and reusable. This diffuser clip set is a practical and stylish way to keep your environment fresh and inviting. Make every journey a joyride with the Lamicall Car Tablet Headrest Holder, the ultimate backseat companion for road trips and family travel. Engineered to securely hold 4.7-inch to 13-inch tablets, including the 2024 iPad Pro, 11-inch/13-inch iPad Air, Galaxy Tab, and more, it effortlessly clamps onto headrest poles and supports both portrait and landscape viewing. Durable yet lightweight, it offers quick adjustment and 360-degree rotation for perfect viewing angles. Keep passengers entertained, educational, or connected with this easy-to-install, versatile stand. Road trip boredom is officially over. Be ready for any roadside emergency with the Gulu GT 4000S jump starter and A3 jump starter with air compressor combo. Delivering up to 3,000 ampere peak current, it easily jump starts gas engines up to 9.0 liters and diesel up to 6.5 liters in seconds. The A3's built-in 150 psi tire inflator features an auto shutoff function and multiple nozzles, perfect for quickly inflating tires, balls, and more. With a powerful battery bank, fast USB-C charging, and a built-in flashlight with SOS mode, this portable duo keeps you prepared, safe, and back on the road in no time. Brighten up your drive with the SEALIGHT 3156/3157 white LED bulbs, an ideal upgrade for reverse lights, brake lights, tail lights, and parking lights. This pack of 2 delivers brilliant 6000K white light with projector-style lenses for enhanced visibility and safety, especially in low-light conditions. Compatible with multiple socket types, including 3056, 3057, 4057, and 4157. These bulbs feature a plug-and-play design for quick installation. Built with durable materials and efficient heat dissipation, they offer long-lasting performance and a sleek, modern look for your vehicle. Secure your shades and essentials with the UR 2-pack magnetic leather sunglasses holders for your car visor, featuring a sleek leather holder with a powerful magnetic clip on one side and a ticket card clip on the other. These versatile accessories neatly store sunglasses, parking passes, toll cards, and more right where you need them. Available in multiple colors. Keep your car interior tidy and kid-friendly with this stylish 2-piece carbon fiber car seat organizer set, combining backseat protectors, storage pouches, and tray holders for ultimate convenience. Designed for rear passengers of all ages, each organizer features multiple pockets for tablets, water bottles, snacks, books, toys, phones, and cables. Easy to install with adjustable straps, they protect your seats from scuffs and spills while providing a sturdy tray that folds down for dining, drawing, or working on the go. Durable, wipe-clean material makes them ideal for family travel or daily drives, turning clutter into organized comfort in seconds. Keep your ride safe and on point with the Astro AI digital tire pressure gauge, 0 to 150 psi, a precision tool with 0.1 psi accuracy and 4 measurement settings perfect for cars, trucks, and bikes. Featuring a clear, backlit LCD for easy nighttime reading, ergonomic grip, and a Presta valve adapter for cycling, this gauge delivers fast, reliable readings every time. Compact and robust, it comfortably fits in your glove box or gear bag, making it an ideal stocking stuffer or roadside essential for maintaining optimal tire performance, fuel efficiency, and safety across all your adventures. Keep your vehicle looking its best with the Armor All Premier Car Care Kit, an 8-piece set designed for a complete clean, inside and out. This all-in-one kit includes a car wax and wash kit for a glossy finish, powerful glass cleaner for streak-free clarity, and a tire and wheel cleaner to restore that showroom shine. Keep tabs on your vehicle with ease using the Rewire Security DB 3-4G Plug-and-Play OBD GPS Tracker, a compact real-time locator designed for cars, trucks, and vans. Simply plug it into your vehicle's OBD2 port for instant tracking with no tools or wiring required. It offers live location updates, geo-fence alerts, and trip history, all accessible through the GPS Live app or web platform. The built-in backup battery ensures continued tracking even when the engine is off. And the affordable monthly subscription makes it a cost-effective solution for personal or fleet monitoring. Reliable, easy to use, and discreet, the DB 3-4G is the smart way to stay connected to your vehicle. Broaden your adventures with the Saris Bones 3-bike trunk rack, built in the USA for durability and simplicity. This sleek, arc-based rack fits most sedans, hatchbacks, and SUVs, and its rust-free, injection-molded plastic frame ensures years of worry-free use. Anti-sway straps keep your bike secure and stable, while the 100% recyclable construction shows Saris's commitment to sustainability. Lightweight, tool-free assembly makes setup easy, and the smart design folds flat for storage when not in use. Whether you're heading to the trail park or campground, this dependable rack is your eco-conscious companion for every ride. Capture every angle of your drive with the Vantrue E360 5.2 K360-degree panoramic dash cam plus rear camera bundle, a powerful dual camera system designed for complete on-road security, featuring advanced dual Starvis 2 sensors, HDR imaging, and 8 IR night vision LEDs. It delivers crystal clear footage day or night. With built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi and GPS, voice control, and a responsive touchscreen, accessing and managing recordings is quick and intuitive. The 24/7 buffered parking mode ensures your vehicle is always protected, even when parked, and support for up to 512 GB storage means you'll never miss a moment. Stay prepared for winter with the 2025 upgraded 2-piece anti-freeze electromagnetic car snow removal device, your smart solution for frost, snow, and ice. This innovative device uses electromagnetic pulses to gently break up ice buildup on your windshield without scraping, while doubling as a car air freshener for a clean, refreshing cabin. Revamp your vehicle's interior with the Universal Deluxe PU Luxury Vinyl Faux Leather Car Seat Covers, an elegant full set designed to fit most sedans, vans, and SUVs. Crafted from premium, breathable faux leather, these seat covers provide a refined look while maintaining comfort and airflow, even on long drives. Airbag-compatible construction ensures uncompromised safety, while durable stitching and easy installation promise reliable protection against spills, stains, and wear. Elevate your ride with effortless style and sophistication, without sacrificing practicality or peace of mind. Enhance your driving safety and visibility with the Super HD 1080p 360-degree bird's-eye view camera DVR system, featuring a seamless panoramic all-round view and a crisp 7-inch HD display. This advanced system uses 4 wide-angle cameras to create a real-time overhead perspective, eliminating blind spots and making parking, reversing, and tight maneuvers safer and easier. With high-definition recording, waterproof camera construction, and automatic activation with turn signals or reverse gear, it's perfect for both day and night driving. Whether you're navigating crowded streets or backing into a narrow spot, This system gives you complete confidence behind the wheel. Bring a touch of cosmic charm and stress relief to your space with the Solar Celestial Fidget Spinner, an eye-catching car decoration and desk accessory powered by sunlight. This unique spinner automatically rotates when exposed to direct light, making it a mesmerizing and calming addition to your car dashboard, office, or home. Designed with celestial flair, it also doubles as a mountable aroma diffuser, perfume sold separately, adding both visual appeal and optional fragrance to your environment. Add style and safety to your vehicle with the IJDM Toy Smoked Lens 15 LED tow hitch receiver brake tail light. Designed to fit any Class 3, 4, or 5 2-inch towing hitch receiver, this easy-to-install light features 15 ultra-bright LEDs behind a sleek smoked lens, offering both tail running light and a strobe-enhanced brake light for maximum visibility. Perfect for trucks, SUVs, and trailers, it enhances your rear-end lighting with a clean, modern look and extra safety on the road. No complicated wiring required. A smart, eye-catching upgrade for towing and everyday driving alike. Protect your vehicle with confidence using the Universal Security Trailer Wheel Lock, an anti-theft solution designed for tires 7 inches to 11 inches wide. Built from heavy-duty steel and finished in high-visibility red and yellow, this lock acts as a powerful visual and physical deterrent against theft. Ideal for trailers, cars, SUVs, boats, motorcycles, and even golf carts. It features a quick-adjust clamp mechanism for a snug fit and includes 4 keys for added convenience. Rust-resistant and easy to install, this 2-pack set offers reliable security whether you're parked at home, on the road, or at the marina. Diagnose battery issues quickly and accurately with the Conway KW710 car battery tester, a versatile digital analyzer designed for 6-volt, 12-volt, and 24-volt batteries. Supporting a wide range of battery types and measuring 100 to 2000 cca, it's perfect for cars, trucks, motorcycles, ATVs, marine vehicles, and SUVs. This powerful tool not only tests battery health and charge status, but also evaluates the alternator and starter performance. With a clear display, fast results, and built-in safety features like reverse polarity protection, the KW710 is a must-have for both DIYers and professionals. Be prepared for any roadside emergency with the Sinsen Automotive Escape Tool, a multifunctional 4-in-1 lifesaver designed to keep you safe. Combining a powerful LED flashlight, window breaker, seatbelt cutter, and self-defense tool, this compact device is a must-have for every vehicle. Its rechargeable design ensures it's always ready when you need it, while the sturdy build and ergonomic grip make it easy to use under pressure. Whether it's a crash, power failure, or urgent escape situation, the Sinsen Safety Hammer is your reliable companion for quick action and peace of mind on the road. Upgrade your ride's style and aerodynamics with the Car Rear Spoiler Roof Lip Kit in sleek carbon fiber black. This universal, punch-free accessory features a flexible 3D rubber design that easily trims and attaches to your trunk or roof edge using strong adhesive. No drilling required. Its carbon fiber texture adds a sporty, high-performance look while subtly enhancing airflow for improved stability at high speeds. Keep your car neat and tissues within reach with this car tissue holder and seat side organizer. Designed to fit standard 60, 120, or 180 count tissue boxes, the sleek rectangular cover doubles as a functional storage solution. Easily attaches to the front or side of your seat, this organizer also features 3 extra pockets, perfect for holding phones, snacks, sunglasses, or small essentials. Whether you're on a road trip or running daily errands, this all-in-one napkin holder and storage pouch keeps your car clean, organized, and ready for anything. Ideal for cars, SUVs, and trucks. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos featuring the coolest gadgets.